sound test here real quick on this 40th Anniversary Telecaster. It's going through a Sound City amplifier, 2 notes Captor X, attenuator, Schroeder 12PL cabinet. That's it. It's just plugged right into the amplifier, straight through. Okay? No reverb, nothing. Just a straight sound. Okay? And this is the neck pickup. I'm going to play the same piece on the neck pickup, then on both pickups, then on the bridge pickup. I'm not going to mess with the volume or tone controls at all. Not on the amp either. Just straight Telecaster. That's what you got. Okay, that's the neck pickup. This is both pickups. Okay, now this is the bridge pickup. I mean, it wouldn't be a Telecaster without that bridge pickup, would it? And before you say too much about it, I've had 3 lessons. Okay, 3 guitar lessons. That's it. I'm having my 4th lesson in 2 days. So that's it. And I hope you enjoyed it. I really like this thing. It's got a good sound. Don't think I'm going to modify anything on it. I really like the thing the way it is.